Good morning, students. Today we are going to study a new topic, that is, among the parts of speeches, the most important one is conjunctions. You all know what is conjunction. Conjunction is a connective. It's also called as joining words. Joining words and connectives, they are used to combine the sentences. Sometimes they are used to combine the phrases and sometimes clauses. These are the words which are used to connect or join sentences, phrases, and clauses. Even sometimes nouns, more than one nouns, if you want to join, combine, we have to use conjunctions. You know, without conjunctions, our learning life is very difficult. As far as English students concerned, they should know how to connect the sentences. This is the second step ahead. We can say that first, all the parts of speech we have studied. After that, how to frame the sentences and everything you know. Next, if you want to form the sentences, or if you want to engage in the essay writing, compositions and all, conjunctions are unavoidable part of our education, especially English education. So the students who wants to learn English, they have to know conjunctions thoroughly. Especially the usages of conjunctions you should know. What are the usages of conjunctions? What are the types of conjunctions? There are coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. Two are there. And, but, because, otherwise, or, and all these conjunctions are called subordinating conjunctions. They are subordinating conjunctions. They always depend on a main clause. With the help of a main clause only they can exist. If there is no main clause, they cannot exist. That is why they are called as subordinating conjunctions. There are many subordinating conjunctions in English. Among them, a few I have told you. That is and, but, because, or, otherwise, so that, etc. So that, etc. These are all subordinating conjunctions. Means they are used as a conjunctions to connect two sentences, a part of a sentence otherwise. Main clause is connected with a subordinate clause. For example, if we take and is, when we connect with and a sentence, it becomes two simple sentences are connected and it becomes the compound sentence. The sentence becomes compound sentence. My friend has two houses and also he has two cars. Actually, this sentence we can combine. My friend has two houses and two cars. Sentence joined. Jointly we made as a single sentence. Then it became a compound sentence. He is poor but honest. He is poor but honest. This is also, but he is poor, he is honest. He is poor but honest. In this way, we can prepare the sentences.